In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set stop loss and take profit on Exness. Before we jump in, here's the idea. A stop loss helps limit potential losses by automatically closing your position if price moves against you, while a take profit locks in gains when price reaches your target. Setting both on Exness keeps your trades disciplined and removes the need to watch the screen constantly. Start by opening your browser and searching for Exness. Look for the official website in the results and open it. It's a good habit to check the domain and the secure padlock icon in your address bar so you know you're in the right place and your connection is protected. Once the site loads, click through to the platform and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection, and if your browser prompts you to save passwords, only do so on a trusted personal device. After logging in, you'll be able to access your trading terminal where you create and manage orders. With the platform open, bring up the order window and ensure the order type is set to pending. A pending order lets you define an entry price in advance, perfect if you want the market to come to your level rather than entering immediately at the current price. This also gives you the opportunity to set your stop loss and take profit at the same time the order is created, keeping your plan consistent from the start. In the order window, find the fields labeled Stop Loss and Take Profit and enter your desired values. These are price levels, not pip distances, so check the instrument's current bid and ask and make sure your numbers make sense relative to your intended entry. If you're planning to buy, your stop loss should typically be below your entry and your take profit above it. If you're planning to sell, the opposite applies. Keep an eye on the number of decimals the symbol uses, and consider the spread so your levels aren't accidentally too tight. A helpful guideline is to align your stop loss with a level that invalidates your trade idea, like beyond a recent swing high or low, and size it so the potential loss fits your risk tolerance. Then place your take profit at the level where you reasonably expect price to move in your favor, ideally offering a sensible reward-to-risk ratio. When everything looks right, click Confirm to place the order. You'll see it appear in your orders list with the stop loss and take profit attached. If you notice a typo or want to refine a level, you can edit the order before it triggers, keeping your plan intact. That's it. You've set a pending order on Exness with a stop loss and take profit, so your trade is protected and your targets are defined from the outset.